Phonemic. Phonemic refers to the sounds or phonemes that make up a language. In English, there are approximately 44 phonemes, which are the smallest units of sound that can change the meaning of a word. Understanding phonemes is crucial for effective communication and pronunciation in English. Here are a few examples of phonemes in English. 1. The B sound. This sound is represented by the letter B in words like bat and big. Changing the B sound to P would result in a different word, such as pat or pig. 2. The K sound. This sound is represented by the letter K in words like cat and kite. Changing the K sound to T would create different words, such as cat or tight. 3. The S sound. This sound is represented by the letter S in words like sit and sun. Changing the S sound to Z would create different words, such as sit or sun. 4. The sound. This sound is represented by the letters sh in words like ship and sheep. Changing the sound to T would create different words, such as ship or cheap. Understanding phonemes helps learners distinguish between similar sounds, which is essential for correct pronunciation. By paying attention to the phonemes, learners can improve their ability to be understood and comprehend spoken English.